Hello! Welcome to our store.
Hi, thank you.
Are you looking for something special?
Yes, I'm looking for a dress.
We have many new dresses over here.
Great, I'll take a look.
This material feels nice.
Yes, it's very comfortable. This color is beautiful.
It is. It would look lovely on you.
I think I'll try it on. Do you have this in size M?
Let me check for you. Yes, here you are.
Thank you so much. Can I try this on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
I'll be back in a minute. What do you think?
It looks great on you.
Really? I like it too.
But it feels a bit tight. Would you like to try a bigger size?
Yes, please. This one is more comfortable.
I'm so glad.
How much is this dress?
It's $50. That's a bit expensive. I understand. We have other options.
Can you give me a discount?
I can give you 10% off.
Is that the best price?
Yes, that's our special offer today.
All right, I'll take it. Great choice! I'll buy this one.
Please come to the cashier.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day.
You too!